Making more sales is what every affiliate marketer wants, right? And yet most don't understand how to make that happen. Now, this is my 12 Step to Success online series, and in this training, I'm giving you the 9th of the 12 steps and the first step of the build phase. I mentioned in the 8th step that everyone wants more time for their business. Well, the other element of this business that every aspiring entrepreneur wants more of is sales. So this step is all about the stages of sales, because when you understand the different stages of making sales, you have a much better chance of making more of them at a much more manageable cost. Hey, Andrew Woodward here, and on this channel, we focus on the best online marketing strategies that grow your wealth, build a long-term business, and allow you to work from anywhere using nothing more than your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. Now, if you've missed any of the previous steps, make sure you go back and watch them. I've left a link up there, and make sure you subscribe and click the little bell to get notified when I release a new video, including the next videos in the 12-step process. Now, in this video, I'm going to share the 9th step of my 12 steps to online success and the first of the build phase, which is where the rubber really starts to hit the road. So the 9th step to online success is all about the stages of sales. Now, if this is a new term for you, you're in for a treat, because this is something that you really need to understand to grow your affiliate business. You'll have seen the number of people who spew their affiliate links all over the place in the hope that they'll make a sale or two, which is why they call this practice hope marketing. And in case you hadn't realized already, hope marketing doesn't work. Certainly not in the long term, and certainly not for those looking to grow a legitimate, sustainable business. So let's dive into the stages of sales so you can better understand how to generate more of them. The first stage of sales is called top of funnel, simply because it's the first stage of your sales process. And top of funnel is designed to target people who don't know of you yet. The marketing you're doing at this level is more about getting people to know you, know what you offer, and engage with your content. Normally, your call to action at this stage is a small commitment from your lead, like a comment, a like, or a click to something free. At this stage, you want people that might be suitable for your offers to put their hand up, identify themselves to you, so you can focus your attention on serving them and not the people who aren't interested already right now. Top of funnel is an important stage. It's where you have the opportunity to identify your market and nurture them, which, as you know, is crucial to the sales process. Now, we used to need 7 touch points with a lead to make a sale. However, recent data suggests it's more like 32 touch points. So top of funnel is where you can start that journey. The second stage of the sales process is called middle of funnel, funnily enough, right? Now, this is where you can start to get a little ninja with your marketing. Again, a lot of affiliate marketers follow a scattergun approach, trying anything and everything to get attention on their links. By following these 3 stages of sales, you're getting laser focused with your leads and helping or guiding them to the sale. So, middle of funnel is dedicated to those people who raise their hand at the top of funnel. That is, only people who showed intent at the top of funnel will see your middle of funnel marketing material. Since these leads are considered a little warmer, your marketing material can be more targeted and the call to action can be a bigger commitment. So in the top of the funnel, you might have asked for a comment or a view or a like. In this phase, it's more likely you want them to click on something, which could be to a training video like this one, or a blog post or a product review. The key is that you want the leads at this stage to once again show their interest, to raise their hand and progress to a higher level of intent with your content and your sales process. The final stage of the sales process is the bottom of funnel. Seems right, eh? Once again, the bottom of funnel is specifically for people who raise their hands in the middle funnel. Obviously, the number of people moving through each phase is going to reduce, since not all leads will raise their hands in each stage. So by the time they get to the bottom of your funnel, they're reasonably warm leads. So since they're warmer, they have engaged with a few pieces of your content, this is where you can go for the sale. The call to action at this stage is to actually ask for the sale. The bottom of the funnel is going to have a call to action that asks the lead to register for a webinar where you sell at the end, or send them to a training with an offer included, or you can send them straight to an offer page. By using the 3 steps of sales, you're filtering your leads based on their actions. And by doing this, your costs are reduced because you're showing your marketing to people who actually want to see it, which keeps the costs down and the profits up, right? And the beauty of the 3 stages is that you aren't relying on hope marketing. You actually have a strategy of how you're going to warm up your leads and get them to trust you. With so much competition on the internet, especially in the affiliate marketing space, you need to have a strategy, and one that helps you to stand out from the rest. And these 3 stages will help you do that in a systematic and consistent manner. Okay, I hope today's video was helpful for you and showed you how to create a systematic sales process that generates sales consistently and, even better, while you sleep. And if you're looking to get started in affiliate marketing and you want some personal support to get set up for success, to nail the 12 steps and be on your way to the online income that you want, then join my Inner Circle program, where you can get one-on-one support over 6 weeks, a whole bunch of resources and tools that are proven to work, and be earning an online income within 30 days. Click the link in the description to schedule a free call with me, and we can get to work on a plan to get you moving toward your goals quickly and effectively. Thanks for watching today's training. Don't forget to schedule a time with me, click the link in the description, and let's chat. And to continue to get these free training videos, make sure you click on the subscribe button and the little bell to get notified when a new training is released. It's the simplest way to ensure that you don't miss any of the good stuff and get access to everything that I'm doing or using to grow my business so you can grow yours. And do me a favour, click the like button and leave me a comment below. Let me know what you thought of this training. I'll read all the comments and reply to each one. And don't forget to get access to the free training and the free affiliate marketing training that I recommend. Click the links in the description and let's get you building your business from today. And if you want to get on a discovery call with me, you can click the link in the description to book a time in my calendar, and we can have a chat about a strategy to grow your sales.